In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Calendar for scheduling. Now, to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your Google account on Google. Now, once you're signed in to your Google account, just go ahead and click on the menu section, which you'll find at the top right corner of your screen beside your user icon. Now, in here, go ahead and click on the calendar at the bottom right of this list. So just go ahead and click on calendar, and this will redirect you to Google Calendar. You can also do this with your phone, and here just go ahead and click on the create button in the top left corner of your screen and click on event. Now this will allow you to create a title for your event. You can also change this to task or appointment schedule. So after creating a title for your event, you can just go ahead and set the time and date for this event. You can also add guests for this event. You can enter the Google Mail account of those guests that you want to invite for this event. You can also repeat this event if this is a recurring event for you. You can add Google Meet video conferencing with your event. Just go ahead and click on the add Google Meet video conferencing, and Google will generate a code that your guests can join to. You can add a location for this event by clicking on here. You can also add a description or a Google Drive attachment for this event. Now, once you're done setting up your event, just go ahead and click on the save button to save this event and schedule it on your Google Calendar. And that's how you can simply create a schedule on Google Calendar. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.